While Mr. Oliver is eating cake with his friends at the patisserie, he sees that the slices of cake are not equal. He complains about the situation to the patisserie owner. The patisserie owner reports this issue to the frozen pastry factory from which he buys the cakes. The manager of the cake factory is looking for a solution that can cut frozen cakes evenly and quickly, but he does not want to use his qualified personnel for cutting. The manager encounters Sonikel, a manufacturer of ultrasonic cake cutting machines that perform vibration cutting at a fair. He wants to try it immediately. The trial result was very successful. With Sonikel, production efficiency increases at least 3 times, customer satisfaction increases, and their cake masters focus on developing new products instead of cutting. Contact us immediately to increase your customer satisfaction and cut your cakes evenly. Sonikel Ultrasonic Food Cutting Machines.